Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Thursday, May 30th. Well, stocks gave back their gains from Tuesday yesterday. We ended up being down on the day, down 7.5 points in the S&P at 1647. 1650 seems to be a pivot to keep an eye on. That was the closing price of last week. You remember the market climbed back after the negative Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday morning. Closed at 1650 to end the week last week in the E-mini S&P. Looking at the Dow yesterday, the Dow was down 83, 15,290. NASDAQ was off 8 at 29.95 and a half. The dollar index continued to drift lower. That could be supportive of stocks in the big picture. Closed at 83.70, down 47. Looking at the euro, closed at 129.36, up 60 points, holding those lows once again and making a series of higher lows over the last couple of weeks. Bonds ended up being positive on the day with a big sell-off in stocks. They did go all the way down to 139.29, some new relative lows, closed at 141.20, up 12. So a big reversal yesterday and closed a little bit positive. Crude oil was off, down $1.88, even with the dollar weakening, closed at 93.13. Again, 94 to 97 has been a range here for the last couple of weeks. The gold market did close positive on the day, up $12 at $13.91 an ounce in gold. So after the negative action yesterday, where do things stand on this Thursday morning to start a new trading day? Well, we're climbing back to positive. We were a little bit negative overnight. Right now, we're up 6 points. The E-mini S&P continuing to climb, 1653, above that 1650 pivot right now as we stand. The 1638 low yesterday was a higher low in the S&P, so we may be forming a near-term bottom here. Looking at the Dow, we're up 46 at 15,336, and the Nasdaq's back above 3,000. The dollar index continues to drift lower. We're at 83.50, down 12, so we're down to the lows of last week where we saw the dollar make new weekly highs and actually close lower on the week. So it's following through. That, again, could be supportive for a lot of things if this dollar actually can turn and move lower. The euro currency is up 50, 129.86, flirting with the 130 level once again. And bonds right now are down 3 ticks, and the yield in the 30-year Treasury has climbed to 3.27%. So we're pushed above those March highs as far as yield goes. Crude oil still having a tough time, even with a weaker dollar. We're down 30 cents at 92.83. And gold showing some life. We're at $1,400 an ounce, 1402 to be precise here, up $11. Now, 1411, 1413 is a resistance area above that we've seen over the last couple weeks. So let's see if it can push that and get some legs to the gold market. So to wrap up the current action, 2 hours to go before the stock market open. Right now, we're positive in the E-mini stocks. We're up 6 in the E-mini Dow. In the S&P, and up 46 in the Dow futures as we stand right now. I'll see you Friday morning for the morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman, Trading Advantage, here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.